In today's age, where safety features are now part of the basic design of vehicles, IRISO's connectors serve a crucial role. Vehicle cameras use our board-to-board floating connectors, which have a pitch of 0.4 millimeters, the industry's smallest class. Many connectors are used in the millimeter wave radar system as well. Z-Move connectors are used in powertrain systems, achieving durability and solid connections even under severely vibrating conditions. IRISO connectors are used in all parts of the vehicle, centering on infotainment systems. Connectors are used in car navigation and car audio systems, as well as various switches and sensors to enhance the comfort of cars. IRISO connectors are also used in industrial equipment which require high performance. Connectors are needed for many other things as well, from office automation equipment and game consoles to mobile phones and household electronics. Assembly by industrial robots is now mainstream in the manufacture of such products. Supporting production by industrial robots is floating technology, which mitigates stress on the connector at the time of connection. The Auto iLock automatically locks FPC and FCC cards. And two-point contact offers high connection reliability. Those three technologies support industrial robot production. The IRISO Technology Park in Shin Yokohama serves as the company headquarters and also has state-of-the-art laboratories as the core base for our research and development of new products and new technologies. Beginning with the Ibaraki factory, which is our central production site, we have established factories in Shanghai, the Philippines, and Vietnam, which is the largest factory in Southeast Asia, all in our efforts to provide a stable supply of products. And in spring 2018, our factory in Nantong, China was completed to further bolster our production system. We also have sales offices not only in Japan, but throughout the world for global marketing of our products. IRISO will continue to embrace challenges to connect the future.